Hi everybody! Today I am cooking my favorite pancakes with berries and chocolate chips. So here I have all the kitchen appliances I will need. A frying pan, a bowl to mix all the ingredients in, a mixer, some spoons, a ladle, a spatula, and a plate to put the pancakes on. Also, here are the ingredients: eggs, baking powder, flour, sugar, salt, milk, and chocolate chips. Some oil to put the frying pan. So first, I'm putting the flour, baking powder, a little bit of salt, and a little bit of sugar in the big bowl. I'm mixing with a spoon and making a hill like this, and making a little hole there. Now I am breaking the eggs and putting them in this hole in the middle of the flour. I am mixing it all with a spoon first. Now I am pouring the milk and mixing. I'm not pouring all the milk, just a little, mixing and then pouring more again. And now I'm taking the mixer and mixing it all together very well to finish up, and chocolate chips, and mixing them with a spoon. I'm putting some oil on the frying pan. Now I can start frying the pancakes. I'm using the ladle to put the pancake mix on the frying pan. The pancakes are ready to flip when they are a very pretty brownish yellow color. So I'm turning the pancakes. Now they're ready. I'm putting them on the plate, and when I serve the pancakes, I put more chocolate chips and some sour cream or some syrup or honey. Do you like this recipe? Please add comments below under the video. Bye! Enjoy your pancakes!